So I'm in the process of tracing out my line art to get all of these details down. So I thought I would hop on here and show you what is involved. In getting a detailed image to paint. So when you trace out your watercolor painting, you put down your graphite paper. First you get your line drawing, which this is a very detailed line drawing. This is a 22 by 30 on arches. I have my graphite paper here, and it's graphite paper, not carbon paper. You put your line drawing down. You make sure your line drawing, make sure that you're getting your line drawing. You flip your line art up and make sure that you are getting the line drawing through, which I just checked, and I am indeed getting a line is being made through. So now I can continue on with my line art. That way I know that the lines I am drawing are going through to my paper. So when I go to paint, I actually know what I'm painting. But you have to have patience. This is the first step to a realistic watercolor painting.